Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in connectivity tips. Today, we're tackling how to join Spectrum Wi-Fi in 2025. With faster speeds and smarter features, getting connected has never been easier. Whether you're at home, in a coffee shop, or traveling, Spectrum's 2025 updates make Wi-Fi access seamless and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a Spectrum account. If you're a subscriber, log into the Spectrum website or app to verify your details. In 2025, Spectrum has rolled out enhanced biometric login options like facial recognition for quicker access, super convenient. Next, download the latest Spectrum app from your device's app store. This app is your gateway to all things Wi-Fi. Once installed, open it and sign in with your credentials. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication to keep your connection extra secure against those pesky cyber threats. Now, for the fun part, finding and joining a network. The app will scan for nearby Spectrum hotspots. Select the one you want and hit connect. In 2025, you'll see new AI-driven recommendations, suggesting the strongest signals based on your location and device. If you're at home, ensure your router is updated to the latest firmware for optimal performance. If you run into issues, like a weak signal or login errors, don't panic. Head to the app's troubleshooting section. It includes step-by-step guides and even live chat support. Remember, Spectrum's 2025 network prioritizes speed, so restart your device if needed to clear any glitches. Wrapping this up, joining Spectrum Wi-Fi in 2025 is straightforward and packed with smart features to enhance your online experience. Give it a try and enjoy blazing fast internet. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching, stay connected.